Oh, let's go. That's where I came in down there. The airport from last video was right there. There's a really big casino, that big bright light right over there. And I'm on top of this gigantic building that's being built. Right there, that's security. It's just a dude in his car, he's not looking at shit. Better for me. On to the next one. Cameras. Big ass rat that scared the shit out of me. Okay, so basically what happened is the security guard was right in front of me and he went into the bathroom. I don't think he saw me, but it's a little bit too risky. There is no good way to that second building. made it back through a hole in the fence. We're gonna go for the second building. I'm between two porta potties. Okay, I made it. I don't know if you can tell, but just a minute ago I walked by the bathroom. I thought the guy was gone. I was gone for like 15 minutes before I came back, and he's still in there. Is he taking a shit? Even so, that's a pretty long shit, man. But you gotta have respect, he's shitting on company hours. No way. Oh, there we go. Top floor, that is, not the very top. Super fresh, yeah. Let's go. See that flashing? That's security. The dude who's taking the hour-long shit. The man, the myth, the legend. He's probably still not in his car yet. Those are just probably his fucking taking a shit lights. There's a connection from the building to the crane, which I'm gonna go. I just gotta figure out what floor that's on. I think it's on like 25th or something floor. Found it. Let's fucking go. It's on. still probably taking a shit. But if he isn't, then he's directly below me. Hopefully he doesn't look up. I'm on this fucking crane, yo. Alright, it's time to get down now. They see me. What the fuck? I wonder if he's done taking a shit. Yep, he's gone.